Hello everyone, myself Rohit Malhotra and I am going to discuss a very interesting topic that is gravitation. And before going to gravitation, let's see that what is the cause of motion. We all know that the cause of motion is force. What causes object to move? Force. Because force is needed to change the speed, direction of any moving object. And in our daily life, we have come across many examples. Like an apple, when falls from a certain height, it falls towards the earth. The planets goes around the earth. The moon goes around the earth. ठीक है also the planets goes around the sun and the moon goes around the earth. In such type of cases, there was a scientist whose name was Newton. He suggested that the same force is responsible for such type of case. That force is gravitational force. That force is gravitational force. Now take some curiosity questions related to this gravitational force so that we can clear our concept thoroughly. Now my first curiosity question is that we know that the apple is fall towards the earth and the moon, instead of going in a straight path, it revolves around the earth. That means there must be some force of attraction by the earth. There must be some force of attraction by the earth so that it goes in a circular path around the earth. Now the curiosity question is that why does not moon fall towards the earth? While evolving, moon does not fall towards the earth. Why? So, I will give this answer by taking an interesting activity. Let's do this. In this case, a person is whirling a stone in a circular way. Now, in this case, the force which keeps the body or this stone in a circular path is acting towards the center, and that force is centripetal force. That force is centripetal force. This force is responsible for the circular path of this stone. Okay, and that force where it acts towards the center. It acts towards the center. Now consider this situation in the case of moon and earth. In the case of moon and earth, now moon is revolving around earth, so there must be some force of attraction, or there must be some, I can say now, centripetal force towards the center of earth. Towards the center of its motion, there is a centripetal force. Now listen very carefully. That centripetal force is provided by the force of attraction by the earth. This centripetal force is provided by the force of attraction by the earth. That's why moon does not fall towards the earth. I hope you like this question. Now take another one curiosity question which is more interesting than previous one. The Newton, who invented this gravitation force, once seated in under apple tree, and apple is fall on him. Then he thought that apple is attracted by the earth. So by the Newton third law, the earth also attracted towards the apple. Similar opposite case. Okay, when the apple is attracted by the earth, so earth should be attracted by the apple, but it does not happen practically. We can't see that the earth is moving towards the object. We can't see. Then what's the reason that it does not happen practically? The reason behind this is Newton third law. So it's second law. Newton second law. The Newton's second law is responsible for this cause. How? We all know that mathematical expression of the Newton's second law. Okay, In this case, for a given force, the mass of the body is inversely proportional to the acceleration. Okay, the mass of the body is inversely proportional to acceleration. Now the mass of the apple is much negligible or small than the mass of the earth. Means the mass of the earth is very large. Okay, so the acceleration of the earth should be very small, or I can say negligible. That's why we can't see that earth is moving towards the object. We see only that the object is attracting towards the earth. That's the reason. And this argument is similar for the case of earth and moon. In the case of earth and moon, we can consider this same case, that earth cannot be moved towards the moon. Earth cannot be moved towards the moon. Moon is attracted by the force of attraction by the earth. This was the case. Now, I hope that you like this second curiosity question also. Now, I am concluding this part of gravitation force by taking this into a solar system, in the universe. Newton also suggested that the earth not only attracted the moon and apple only. Okay, na? Earth not only attracted moon and apple. He said that every body in the universe or in the solar system, each object is attracted by one another. Each object is attracted by one another. Okay, by the force of attraction. By the force of attraction, and that force of attraction is known as gravitational force. Okay, I hope you like this. Thanks.